hold that shot right there. Okay?
This one?
Yeah, that looks great.
Alright.
Well,
Smile.
yeah, actually, the lighting is a little dark. Do you think maybe we could go outside and get better lighting?
Outside? Okay.
Yeah.
We better ask Mom and Dad before we take the camera out, though.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay. All right. Mom and Dad!
Yeah?
Reggie and I are trying to film an interview, and we were wondering if we could go outside to do it, because it has better lighting.
Yeah.
Outside?
Well, dear, I think we can let them do this. They're old enough now. On one condition, children.
What's that?
Don't go anywhere near the graveyard.
Graveyard?
Why? What's in the graveyard?
Some things are just better left unsaid.
Okay. We'll go outside, but we'll stay out of the graveyard.
Oh, be
Yeah.
careful. I love you.
I love you too.
Love you too. Bye.
Thank you. Yay! We're gonna film outside.
And action.
Woo! Hi. This is Joyce, and I'm here with my brother Reggie. Say hi, Reggie.
Hi.
And we're here to document this city and the people and places and things and everything around here. Oh, it's so great that we are able to use this equipment for free. I love having all this access.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Yay!
What?
Look what we got here, Chip Chip. Couple of Stevie Spielbergs over here.
Hey! What do you two want?
Well, for starters, that camera. Yeah, that camera.
What? Wait, what?
Give me that camera, Stevie Spielbergs.
No!
Yeah!
No, we're
If you want it back,
responsible.
you're gonna have to get it from the graveyard.
No!
We promised not to go in there.
Too bad. Hey,
You bullies! What's
later,
wrong with you?
losers.
Oh,
Yeah, losers.
those monkeys are so mean. What do we do now?
I think we have no choice. We have to go in the graveyard.
We'll go in there and be right back out. No one will know. Oh, what do we do? It could be anywhere.
It's gotta be around here somewhere.
Oh, just keep looking, I guess.
Whoa.
Ah!
What's this, strangers?
Oh.
There's a reason we have a wall, and it's to keep people like you out.
Who are you?
Who am I? Who are you?
We're just looking for our camera.
A camera?
Yeah.
I might have seen a camera.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I did.
Well, tell us. We need it.
Well, I'm not just gonna tell you. You're gonna have to answer a riddle.
Oh,
You ready?
Yeah.
What gives me power but disappears as soon as you say its name?
no. Oh, that's tough.
I know.
What is it?
Silence.
Ah, you got it.
Ah, well, they taught us not to be silent at open signal, so you're out of luck. We stand up to people who are ignorant and intolerant and unjust like you.
Ah, those are all of my favorite things.
Ah, now give us the camera.
Well, joke's on you. I don't even have the camera anymore.
What?
I gave it to the committee.
The committee?
Good luck.
No. Ah, what do we do?
I know that committee has to be around here somewhere.
Oh, what do we do? We'll never find that camera.
Just keep looking, I guess.
All right.
Hello. Hello.
Ah, look! I think it's the committee.
Yeah, looks like a committee.
Are you the committee?
Ooh, maybe we are. Maybe we aren't.
I think it's the committee. Do you have our camera?
I saw camera. You must first answer a riddle.
We just did one of those.
Another riddle. Okay, let us have it.
Okay, well, there once was a grindstone and it was ever turning. It was big and powerful and unchanging. No one dared to try to stop it for fear of getting crushed. Until one day, someone decided to approach the wheel from a different angle. What did this person do that finally stopped it?
It's a wheel. He looked at it at a different angle, and then he was able to do something to stop it. I think I know it. He pulled the spokes out. He spoke out.
Oh, spoke out. Just like people are able to do using Open Signal, where they offer the latest classes on technology and how to speak out.
Yeah. Oh, he did it.
They did it.
So where's our camera?
Oh.
Unfortunately, we already gave the camera to the instigator.
What? It's right, it's true. The instigator has it.
Oh no, not the instigator.
Oh, by sure, the instigator.
But don't worry. You've cleared our heads and we're thankful for it. Now we can better serve the public. Let's go, ladies.
All right, let's go make a mockumentary.
Oh no. Now we gotta find the instigator. We'll never get this camera back.
Starting to get a little scared.
Oh, we'll never find that camera. Where's the instigator?
I know.
Ah!
I'm the boss around here. What are you kids doing out past your bedtime?
I think it's the instigator.
Yeah, that's me. I'm the one that's in charge.
We're looking for our camera.
I've had that camera for a long time. You think you're gonna use it? Nah, I'm gonna hang on to it for a while.
But we need it back. It's ours, and we're gonna be in so much trouble if we don't return it.
Sounds like a personal problem.
Well, what should we do?
How about we give them a riddle of our own?
That's a great idea. What if we ask you a riddle, and in return, if you answer it, you can keep the camera, and we'll do whatever you want. But if you don't, then we get the camera back, and you have to let anyone come and go as they please.
Oh, well, yeah, I could do that because I'm super smart. So, whatever you got, kids, go for it.
Okay, I got one. What do you value above everything else, has a head and a tail, but lacks what you truly need?
Well, that's an easy one because obviously I value myself more than anything else. So you're obviously talking about me because I have a head and a tail. Although I don't really lack anything else, so
Ha! You're wrong!
What?
The real answer is a coin.
Yep.
It has a head and a tail, but actually has no heart, what you truly need.
Oh, you got me with that one. Feelings.
Yay. We did it!
Yeah. Where's our camera?
Our camera!
there it is!
Yay! let's go take the camera home.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
That's this way.
Oh, okay.
I mean, yeah, the gate should be open, he promised.
Camera back,
We got the
Joyce.
camera
Yeah.
back, woohoo!
Kids,
Uh-oh.
do I smell graveyard on you?
Oh no,
Yeah.
busted.
How could you tell?
We kind of followed you guys in there to make sure you were going to be safe, and honestly, yeah, children, we saw all the things that you went through in there, and it really opened up our eyes to the world of intolerance and hate and greed. And I'm glad you guys came out of there walking tall. Kind of reminds me of a place I go to called Open Signal.
You know about Open Signal?
Where do you think we got that camera from?
Oh,
Yeah! It's great. It's got everything you need.
we love Open Signal, and it lets anyone there, regardless of how much they make or who they are.
Let's go in and get some hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
But,
love
okay.
Those kids didn't turn in their camera in time and checked out my name.
Hush! Quit those crocodile tears.
These aren't crocodile tears. These are puppet tears.